Okay, chemical reactions of alcohols. Alcohols are undergoes two types of chemical reaction. One is OH bond cleavage, OH bond cleavage, and second one is CO bond cleavage. First type of reactions are completed, and now we are going to discuss second type of reaction. The cleavage occurred between carbon and oxygen. So reactions involving cleavage of CO bond. Cleavage of CO बॉन्ड यहाँ पे बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा. Okay, first one, the reactions involving cleavage of CO bond takes place only in alcohol phenol. This type of reactions only with जिंक के साथ ये रिएक्शंस होगा, और इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ जिंक कार्बन ऑक्सीजन के बीच में जो बॉन्ड है वो बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा. एग्जांपल, रिएक्शन विद हाइड्रोजन हैलाइड. फर्स्ट रिएक्शन इज रिएक्शन विद हाइड्रोजन हैलाइड. हाइड्रोजन halide. Hydrogen halide means HX. Hydrogen halide is HX. In the place of HX, HCl, HBr, we can do. The reaction with hydrogen halide in terms of anhydrous zinc chloride already last lesson में learn किया है. तो preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols वो topic में reaction create किया. Here ROH react with HX in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 zinc chloride, anhydrous zinc chloride. Then haloalkenes Rx plus H2O will be up. Here this reaction is used to identify the primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Alcohols are three types: primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Here HX or HCl plus ZnCl2 mixture is known as Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. That's why this reaction is known as Lucas reaction. By using Lucas test, we can identify primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol based on the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. Here, primary alcohols, when treated with HX in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, the product will be formed very less amount of the product, and this reaction will take maximum time, very slowest reaction when primary alcohol treated with the anhydrous zinc chloride. That means primary alcohol HX के साथ जिंक क्लोराइड के साथ रिएक्ट होगा तो जो पीपीटी फॉर्म होता है बहुत टाइम के बाद, बहुत लेट फॉर्म होगा. मतलब लेट मीन्स रिएक्शन इज वेरी स्लो रिएक्शन. व्हेन सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल रिएक्ट होगा तो जो व्हाइट पीपीटी फॉर्म होगा, व्हाइट पीपीटी प्राइमरी अल्कोहल से थोड़ा जल्दी स्पीड फॉर्म होगा. तो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन secondary is greater than primary, and tertiary immediately white color ppt will be obtained, because here tertiary alcohol having 3 electron pair donating groups, that's why OH group will be removed easily. So here the rate of reaction is tertiary alcohol is greater than secondary alcohol is greater than primary alcohol. So tertiary immediately seconds में पीपीटी को फॉर्मेशन करेंगे, सेकेंडरी मिनट्स, प्राइमरी आवर्स और डेज ऑफ टाइम लगेगा, मैक्सिमम टाइम लगेगा. तो स्लोएस्ट रिएक्शन, वेरी फास्ट रिएक्शन, मीडियम रिएक्शन. दैट्स व्हाई द रेट ऑफ tertiary alcohol is greater than secondary is greater than primary. By this reaction we can use we can identify the primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. In case immediately white ppt form हुआ, the given unknown alcohol is tertiary alcohol. with minimum time, secondary alcohol maximum time, and that is given alcohol is primary alcohol. That means we can identify the primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol by the glucose reagent. That's why here primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol depend on its rate of reaction. Depend on its rate of reaction, we can identify it. That's why this reaction is known as glucose reaction. By using the glucose test, we can identify primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. One of the very important reaction. And next one is reaction with phosphorus trihalide. This reaction also will learn in last lesson. Halo alkene, halo arenes. And next one, dehydration reaction. One of the important reaction, dehydration reaction. Dehydration reaction. Third one, dehydration reaction. First, what is the meaning of this reaction? Dehydration means D means removal, hydration means water. Water removal. A removal of water, that reaction is known as dehydration reaction. हाइड्रेशन, हाइड्रो मीन्स वाटर, डी मीन्स रिमूवल. यहाँ पे वाटर मॉलिक्यूल को रिमूव कर रहे हैं, तो जो रिएक्शन में से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव करता है वो डिहाइड्रेशन रिएक्शन होता है. तो डिहाइड्रेशन में हम लोग अल्कोहल में से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल को रिमूव करेंगे तो यहाँ पे डबल बॉन्ड कंटेनिंग प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होगा, मीन्स अल्कीन प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होता है. वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव होने के लिए यहाँ पे स्ट्रॉन्ग dehydrating agents को यूज करना पड़ेगा. Here strong dehydrating agents are concentrated H2SO4 or concentrated phosphoric acid H3PO4, concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 and concentrated H3PO4 phosphoric acid. These two components are known as strong dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent, D means removal, hydrating water molecule, agent means compound. Means ये two compounds water molecule को remove करने के लिए use करते हैं. Example, reaction, general reaction when alcohols treated in presence of concentrated H2SO4 dehydrating agents, then water molecule will be removed, and in presence of acid and heat, then double bond containing product means alkenes are obtained. Okay. Alkenes are obtained, double bond product, and here water molecule will be removed. H2O removal. That's why this reaction is known as dehydrating reaction, and here this one is known as dehydrating agent, and dehydration occurred, then alkene product will be obtained. The alkene product. And next one is ethanol undergoes dehydration by heating with concentrated H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin temperature. Here ethanol reaction है, primary alcohol है, general reaction alcohol का. Next, primary alcohol. Here, primary alcohol, one of the best example is ethanol, CH3, CH2OH, primary alcohol. This one is ethanol treated with concentrated H2SO4, that means acidic medium in presence of 443 Kelvin temperature. 400 temperature is very important. 443 Kelvin temperature, and water molecule will be removed, and alkene means ethane will be obtained. Here CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2O. Ethane form over alkene double bond containing product. Ethane water molecule removal, one of the best example for dehydrating reaction. And here secondary and tertiary alcohols are dehydrated under milder condition. For example, तो यहाँ पे प्राइमरी अल्कोहल में से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव होने के लिए स्ट्रॉन्गर कंडीशन चाहिए, तो सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शियरी अल्कोहल में से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव होने के लिए माइल्डर कंडीशंस NF. So milder condition means less temperature and concentrated H2SO4 की जगह पे परसेंटेज 80%, 60%, etc. मीन्स ये स्ट्रॉन्ग कंडीशन होता है. इससे माइल्डर कंडीशन, वीक कंडीशन पे सेकेंडरी टेरिशरी अल्कोहल react to के alkene को formation करेंगे. Here this one is primary alcohol. Next we are going to take secondary alcohol, 2-propanol, propane 2-ol or 2-propanol, propane 2-ol. In presence of 85% milder conditions, 85% H3PO4 phosphoric acid, and temperature is 440 Kelvin. 440 Kelvin. यहाँ से यहाँ तक कंपेयर करें तो 3 डिग्री से 3 Kelvin temperature decrease हुआ. Okay, here propane 2-ol, 85% phosphoric acid, 440 Kelvin temperature. Comparison with this reaction conditions are milder conditions. And here propane will appear. Double one CH2, CH2, H2. This one is propene. And third one, tertiary alcohol, means tertiary butyl alcohol. In this tertiary butyl alcohol, comparison with this reaction, here very milder conditions are used, then alkene will obtain. Here I am writing tertiary alcohol CH3, 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 OH, and condition is 20% phosphoric acid and 358 Kelvin temperature. 20% H3PO4 and 358 Kelvin temperature. 358 Kelvin temperature. Let's say here CH2, CH3. ये product form होगा. Because here 1, 2, 3 and double bond containing product. Remembering here 1, 2, 3. So 2 methyl propane will up to 2 methyl propane. This one is 2 methyl propane alkene product appear. Means primary, secondary, tertiary अल्कोहल में से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव करने के लिए यहाँ पे डिफरेंट कंडीशंस यूज करते हैं. प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, टर्शियरी. प्राइमरी से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव करने के लिए स्ट्रॉन्गर कंडीशंस यूज होगा. सेकेंडरी, टर्शियरी में से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव करने के लिए माइल्डर कंडीशन. सेकेंडरी से कंपेयर करेंगे तो टर्शियरी का और माइल्डर कंडीशंस यूज करना पड़ेगा. तो इजीली इसमें से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे थोड़ा हार्ड होगा, प्राइमरी में ज्यादा हार्ड होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे OH मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव होगा. तो यहाँ पे जो बॉन्ड है यहाँ पे ब्रेक होता है. तो टर्शियरी में इजीली ब्रेक होगा. टर्शियरी में से OH माइनस रिमूव होगा तो कार्बन के ऊपर पॉजिटिव साइन कार्बोकेटायन फॉर्म होगा. हियर द कार्बोकेटायन इज टर्शियरी कार्बोकेटायन. टर्शियरी कार्बोकेटायन इज मोर स्टेबल देन सेकेंडरी कार्बोकेटायन is more stable than primary carbocation. That's why tertiary carbocation formed easily. That's why this reaction will follow easily at the milder conditions and alkene will be obtained easily than secondary and then primary. Here, this is the reaction, dehydration reaction in presence of dehydrating agents. So, these three reactions. Now we are going to see the reaction mechanism of primary alcohol, how to water molecule remove. The mechanism we need to see. Dehydration है, तो dehydration में reaction mechanism very important. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Dehydration, tertiary is greater than secondary is greater than primary. Dehydration tertiary में easy होगा, next secondary, next primary. क्योंकि tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary is more stable than primary. Okay, next mechanism of dehydration reaction. Reaction mechanism. Reaction mechanism. First one here, formation of propanol propanol, sorry, reaction mechanism of primary alcohol to remove water, dehydration reaction. Okay, right. First one, acid catalyzed reaction. So primary alcohol CH3 CH2OH. Acid catalyzed reaction. The first step here, OH, alcohol, oxygen having lone pair of electron, and this H plus will attack on this oxygen. Then CH3, CH2, O, H, H, oxygen having positive sign by donating of electron to the H plus ion. This molecule is unstable molecule, and then this molecule will undergo second step reaction, CH3, CH2. Here, this oxygen will get electron from the carbon, and water molecule will be removed from it. H2O will be removed, and CH3, CH2 plus primary carbocation will obtain. After formation of primary carbocation, in this molecule, hyperconjugation will occur, and this molecule will be stable. Here, CH3, CH2 plus. Here CH2, one hydrogen. This electron will come between these two carbon and forms CH2 double bond CH2, and H plus will be released. Here starting reaction, H plus will be used, and here H plus will be released. This H plus is used as catalyst, acid catalyzed reaction, and water molecule will be removed. That's why this reaction is known as dehydration reaction. Here primary carbocation stable by the hyperconjugation reaction. 11th स्टैंडर्ड में आप लोग लर्न किया है हाइपरकॉन्जुगेशन. तो यहाँ से कार्बन हाइड्रोजन के बीच में जो सिग्मा बॉन्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन, ये कार्बन को ऊपर पॉजिटिव साइन है, इसको न्यूट्रल करने के लिए ये दोनों के बीच में आएगा, तो डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म होगा, H plus as this release over. This is the mechanism of this reaction. Here this step is very slow step. That's why this step is known as RDS, rate determined step. तो कंप्लीट रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन ये स्टेप पे डिपेंड होता है आरडीएस. ओके, राइट. दिस इज द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल फ्रॉम अल्कोहल. प्राइमरी सेकेंडरी टर्शियरी में सेम, ये तो प्राइमरी का, सेकेंडरी टर्शियरी में सेम मैकेनिज्म से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव. नेक्स्ट वन इज फोर्थ रिएक्शन, ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल्स. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ रिएक्शन, ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ alcohols. Then here, first one, oxidation of alcohols involves the formation of carbon oxygen double bond with cleavage of an oxygen hydrogen and carbon hydrogen. Simple. First one, in this reaction, oxidation of alcohols, carbon oxygen will get double bond. कार्बन ऑक्सीजन के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड होगा, तो कार्बन ऑक्सीजन के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म होने के लिए एक कार्बन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा, एक कार्बन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा, एंड ऑक्सीजन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा. अल्कोहल में ऑक्सीजन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड, कार्बन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड ब्रेक होके कार्बन ऑक्सीजन के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म होगा. Here example are hydrogen OH. ओके, तो यहाँ पे बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा, एक यहाँ पे बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा. ब्रेक होने के बाद कार्बन को डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म होगा. तो कार्बन को डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्म कर डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन, कार्बन के साथ ऑक्सीजन डबल बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन करके कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड फॉर्म होगा. यहाँ पे कार्बोनाइल कंपाउंड aldehydes फॉर्म होगा, aldehydes. And the second one is ketone, aldehydes, ketones, as well as carboxylic acids form, carboxylic acids form, the carbonyl. The simple first one, oxidation of alcohol in presence of oxidizing agents, then these alcohols will be converted into maybe aldehydes, alcohols converted into ketones, and alcohols converted into carboxylic acid, and different type of alcohols, different type of compounds will be formed here. So here oxidation occurred in presence of oxidizing agents. Oxidizing agents. Here oxidizing agents are two types. One is strong oxidizing agent. Second one is mild oxidizing agent. These are very important. Strong oxidizing agent, and second one mild oxidizing agent. Mild oxidizing agent. Mild oxidizing agent means weak oxidizing agent. Strong oxidizing agent. Here strong oxidizing agents like KMnO4, KMnO4, potassium permanganate, or K2Cr2O7. Potassium dichromate also used as strong oxidizing agent. And mild oxidizing agent is used. Mild oxidizing agent is here chromium trioxide or PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. These two are mild oxidizing agents. Chromium trioxide, pyridinium chlorochromate. ये दोनों माइल्ड ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, एंड यहाँ पे के मेनोफोर जो है स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट होता है. So what is the use of this mild and strong oxidizing agent? When primary alcohols treated in presence of strong oxidizing agent, this alcohol will be completely converted into carboxylic acid. ध्यान से observe करो. Primary alcohol in presence of strong oxidizing agent, then oxidation will occur, then carboxylic acid will be obtained. In presence of mild oxidizing agents, this primary alcohol will be converted into aldehydes. Clear? First came in a property. The primary alcohol are CH2OH. Primary alcohol in presence of KMnO4, strong oxidizing agent, and the symbol is oxidation. Then here RCHO, primary aldehyde in presence of strong oxidizing agent. This aldehyde will be converted into C double bond OH, carboxylic acid. मीन्स कंप्लीट रिएक्शन होगा वहां पे. तो स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडेशन होगा तो डायरेक्ट कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड फॉर्म होने के बाद रिएक्शन स्टॉप हो. दिस इज कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड, दिस वन इज aldehyde. In presence of strong conditions, when we take mild conditions like here RCH2OH, primary alcohol in presence of CrO3, then here RCHO, aldehyde will be obtained. RCHO, aldehyde form. In presence of mild oxidizing agent, means this one is mild oxidizing agent CrO3, chromic trioxide, and then another one also used here PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate also one of the mild oxidizing agent. CH3, CH2OH, then PCC, pyridinium chlorochromate. Then this will be converted into acetaldehyde or ethanol. ये aldehyde, aldehyde and ethanol. ये ethanol form होगा. CH3, CH2OH, primary alcohol in presence of mild oxidizing agent. Then ethanol form होगा. Primary alcohol in presence of chromic trioxide or aldehyde form होगा. In presence of strong oxidizing agent, this primary alcohol will be converted into carboxylic acid. Okay, next. Next one is, these are the primary alcohols. Next, we are going to discuss secondary alcohols. Here, secondary alcohols in presence of oxidizing agent like CrO3 may be strong, may be weak, then it will be converted into ketone. प्राइमरी होगा तो aldehyde में फॉर्म होगा, क्योंकि प्राइमरी पे हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप है, सेकेंडरी में हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप कहाँ पे रहेगा, सेकेंडरी कार्बन पे रहेगा. दैट्स व्हाई दिस secondary alcohols will be converted into ketones. Here secondary comes out R CHOH R. This one is secondary alcohol oxidizing in presence of chromic trioxide, then it will be converted into R C double bond O R ketone. यहाँ पे ketone form होगा. Clear? Secondary alcohol in presence of chromic trioxide, oxidation will be occurred, then here ketone will be formed. Clear? Ketone. And next one, tertiary alcohols does not undergo oxidation reaction. Tertiary alcohol does not undergo oxidation reaction because tertiary में क्या होता है, प्राइमरी में क्या होगा, कार्बन के साथ कंपल्सरी यहाँ पे प्राइमरी में 2 हाइड्रोजन है एंड सेकेंडरी में कार्बन के साथ 1 हाइड्रोजन, बट tertiary में R R R OH. Tertiary carbon does not having any hydrogen. That's why this tertiary alcohol does not undergoes oxidation reaction. And next we will discuss oxidation of removal of hydroxy group from tertiary alcohol, reaction with copper in presence of different type of temperature. We will discuss next class. That is very important. Okay. Here, tertiary at normal condition does not undergo oxidation reaction. Tertiary alcohol oxidation reaction में participate नहीं करेंगे, but tertiary alcohols undergoes dehydration reaction. Dehydration reaction occurred in presence of copper at 573 Kelvin temperature. Means यहाँ पे dehydration occur होके water molecule remove होके alkene product वहाँ पे form होगा. Clear? Removal of here hydrogen molecule, water molecule remove okay, double bond containing product form. But tertiary alcohol does not go oxidation reaction, only primary secondary. Primary oxidation होगा तो strong condition होगा तो direct carboxylic acid, and weak condition होगा तो aldehyde form. And secondary alcohols in presence of chromium trioxide, then ketones form. Tertiary alcohols does not undergo oxidation reaction, but this primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols react in presence of copper catalyst at presence of at different temperature, different type of product will be obtained. This reaction we will discuss next class. Reaction of alcohols, primary, secondary, tertiary with the copper. We'll discuss next class. Afterwards, we will discuss the reaction of phenols. Okay, right. This is the complete reaction.